Hey, welcome back, guys. I'm your essential drummer, Todd Blackman, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. We're going to do a tutorial of how I do my thumbnails. So, since I mostly do stuff on my phone, I use Snapchat as a tool for me to use thumbnails. But that's me for right now. But I could use some other things too. But the most primary thing I've been using right now is Snapchat. So I'll give y'all a little sneak peek of that, but let me record it on my phone and give a voiceover for y'all of what I do. So be right back. Alright, so guys, first we're going to go to pictures, and you can see all the stuff I've done. So what we're going to do is go to camera roll, go to see Cardi B because Cardi B is awesome. And what we're going to do is we're going to select that scissor tool and cut Cardi B out of that. So what that happens is we just hit a picture of her and store in my saved snaps. And so I already have a perfect picture of her right now. So as you can see, you can make her head larger and do some funny stuff with that, but we're not doing that right now. Alright, so what we're going to do is you have several options. One, you can just take a normal picture, and you can either make any color of background you want, or you can do emojis. I don't care, but this process is very long, and I would not recommend this process. But I'm going to try it out to see if this works, because I've seen some other people do this too, and it should work. If not, but I'll be right back and see what happens. Okay, no, we're not doing this. Okay, we are going to ban this and get rid of this piece of crap. So what I did is we're going to do look up green screens and images and find the best one that doesn't have any people in it or weird stuff or Spider-Man. So we're just going to look up some stock video, and not that one, no. But we're going to look up the other stock one, and we're just going to take that picture. I'm pretty sure this is legal, and save the image and go back to our snappy wappy chatty, and there's me again. So we go back to the green screen. I'm going to enter this photo, and we can do whatever the hell we want. So I usually have saved stuff. I use Cardi B here, and your imagination just go wild with these things. Especially the lenses. The lenses are really great. As you see, I've used a couple of lenses. Some of them are really crazy. And you can see one of them I use for my outro. But this one is like one of my favorite ones because it's so funny. Now, the next thing you can do on this is really cool. Is last time I used it, there was only one font. But now they updated the fonts a lot. So nowadays, you can just... had so many fonts. You got classic, big text, and we'll try something different. We'll try some fancy. Okay, we're gonna try some fancy, and those were some other things I want to show y'all. But let's do something fancy, Cardi B fancy, and all that. So you got some Cardi B, but let's just be a little bit more fancy about that. We're gonna be Cardi A. I'm gonna be Cardi B. I'm gonna be some Cardi C. And just like a chess, it's going to be Cardi A, B, C, or D. But unfortunately, that did not work. So we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do like some brush type of stuff, or just script. Script looks pretty good. So we're going to do that. And the last product on that is we're going to crop that image. But what I like about doing it on iPhone is that you can do AirDrop. And you can either do this thumbnail on your phone, or you can do the computer. I do a computer because I think it's just faster that way. So that's how I like to do that. Alright guys, well that's how I do my thumbnails for right now. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment, and if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, that helps people out a lot. So like, comment, subscribe, and in the meantime, have the best day ever, guys.